Hey everybody, welcome back to Jim's Garage. Just a quick video today to give you an update on something I came up with to call my SFP plus ONT stick. Now if that doesn't make any sense to you, let me explain. I'll give you the warts and all and the history of how I ended up here. So my ISP over here in the UK doesn't allow you to use bridge mode or modem only mode, so things like port forwarding you just cannot do. Now a solution to this problem is to buy an off-the-shelf product. In this case it's the WAS110 ONT stick, and the awesome guys over on the 8311 community, they've also got a Discord you should check out, have basically created a custom way of being able to bypass or circumvent your ISP router. Now what that's allowed me to do in the past is I've been able to stick this into, say, a cheap switch and then pass that through to 3 virtual machines where I had a highly available OpenSense setup, and I've got videos on that if you want to see it. One of the problems with this being fiber though is it can get a little bit toasty. So one of the solutions I've had in the past is to use a big old clunky Noctua fan and stick that on top directly on the switch, but it was both loud and large and wasn't really the finished product I was looking for. However, since I've rejigged my network setup, I've now moved to something a little bit more elegant. Now, the process of doing this was pretty straightforward and I take no credit for it. I found an STL online for the finished product that I'm using here. I'll link that on screen, so go and have a look at that, give that a thumbs up. And with a few tweaks within my printing software, I was able to get this to accommodate this Noctua fan that I put in the finished product. Now putting this on was dead simple and making any amendments is pretty straightforward. You can see it doesn't quite fit perfectly, the fan actually sticks out a little bit too much, but to be honest it's not really got any weight to it and it's not going to slip anywhere. The sides of the plastic, for example, those, if they touch the ONT stick, that'll stop it coming off. It's also not got any weight on top, but it can't really fall off either because it will hit the heatsink on the ONT. Now the real important bits, well, what difference did that make? Well, it's dropped my temperatures by about 20 odd degrees, which is awesome. And whilst originally it's still operating within spec, I still think it's a good idea to try and cool things down if you can. It definitely prolongs the lifespan of electronics. Anyway, that's pretty much it for this video. Let me know what your thoughts are. Certainly no enterprise setup, but definitely for my home lab setup, I think it's a welcome improvement. I'll drop the links below if this is something that you want to go and do. And just for this video, I'm using the UDM Pro Max. It shouldn't really matter. This should work with kind of any of the Unifi devices. You might obviously have to tweak it if you're using a different router, a different setup that's got maybe the SFP plus ports in a different position. But pretty much, as you can see on my video, you'll be able to just move the bracket left and right depending on where it sits on that fan, and you should have plenty of leeway. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments below, and as always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Take care everybody.